Tired of seeing outdated or unused WhatsApp numbers cluttering your Aisensy account and risking your data privacy? Then, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to delete those numbers in just a few simple steps, ensuring your contact list stays clean and compliant. First, open the Aisensy application on your device and make sure you are logged in. Now, on the main dashboard, look for the Contacts section. It's usually located on the left-hand side menu or somewhere in the top navigation bar. Click on it to proceed to your contact list. You should now see a complete list of all your WhatsApp numbers within Aisensy. Use the search bar to quickly locate the specific number you want to remove. Type in the name or part of the number to find it easily. Once you found the number, look for either a three-dot menu usually represented by 3 vertical dots or a delete icon next to the contact. The location might vary slightly depending on your Aisensy version, but it's typically near the right edge of the contact listing. Click on the 3-dot menu or delete icon. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the contact. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental deletions. Carefully read the message, and if you are sure, click the delete or confirm button. The contact will be permanently removed from your Aisensy account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a WhatsApp number. Repeat these steps for any other updated or unwanted numbers. Regularly managing your contacts helps maintain data privacy and ensures your Aisensy account remains efficient and organized. Don't forget to subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.